The sensational Twitter hack of high-profile users started with a tease between two young hackers who had no link to state or organized crime, the New York Times reported. A mysterious user named Kirk texted a hacker on the online messaging platform Discord that he worked at Twitter and could take control of valuable Twitter accounts. The US Daily said it had interviewed 4 people who participated in the hacking, and they shared logs and screenshots backing up their accounts of what happened. It wasn't the work of a sophisticated hacker group, the report said, but a group of young people who got to know one another because of their obsession with owning early or unusual screen names, particularly one letter or number like @Y or @6. Twitter said in a blog post that the hackers targeted a total of 130 accounts, reset the password, and tweeted from 45 of them and downloaded the data from 8 accounts. According to blockchain.com, a site that monitors cryptocurrency transactions, more than $100,000 worth of Bitcoin was sent to email addresses mentioned in the tweets. Twitter has disclosed in a statement that hackers were able to download tweets and private messages of 8 accounts via its Your Twitter Data tool. It provides an archive of an account's Twitter data and can also include the address and deleted DMs as well as media files that were attached to those private messages. However, Twitter says none of those 8 accounts were verified users. Earlier, the microblogging site revealed that hackers targeted a total of 130 accounts, successfully triggered a password reset, logged in and tweeted from 45 of them, which include the likes of Elon Musk, Barack Obama and Bill Gates. Twitter has officially launched its new direct message chat window on desktop, allowing users to read or reply to messages without having to leave their main tweet feed. The new interface shows DMs in a pop-up window at the bottom right of your screen, very similar to the desktop messaging functionality on both LinkedIn and Facebook. The window expands every time users receive a new DM, however users can minimize it at any time or engage in private conversation via the smaller screen.
White House economic advisor Larry Kudlow said that teenage sensation TikTok may break away from its Chinese holding company and operate as an independent American firm. This comes as US President Donald Trump on July 8 threatened to ban the short video app as a means to punish China over the COVID-19 pandemic. However, Reuters reported a TikTok spokesperson saying that it won't engage with speculation in the market. TikTok parent ByteDance had earlier said that it was evaluating changes to the corporate structure of its TikTok business and was fully committed to protecting users' privacy and security.
Microsoft-owned software development platform GitHub has finally moved its snapshot of all active public repositories and significant dormant ones on the site to an archival facility buried 250 meters deep within an Arctic mountain in Norway. The operation is part of the GitHub Archive program, a project announced last year to preserve today's open source software for future generations. All the repository before February 20th has been printed on 86 reels of hardened microfilm, which are expected to last 1,000 years. Samsung Galaxy M31s, the successor to the popular Galaxy M31 smartphone, is tipped to go on sale in India starting August 6th via Amazon, according to tech news website 91 Mobiles. Reports earlier indicated that the South Korean tech giant's next mid-ranger will come with its proprietary Super AMOLED Infinity O display. Other specifications include a 6000 mAh battery and 64 megapixel quad-rear camera setup. The Galaxy M31s was spotted on benchmarking website Geekbench last month with an Exynos 9611 SoC and 6GB of RAM. Chinese smartphone maker Realme has introduced a new variant of its Realme X2 smartphone that comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The new model will go on sale via Flipkart and Realme India site from July 21st, but the pricing details haven't been shared yet. To recall, the mid-ranger was launched in December last year with a Snapdragon 730G chipset and a 64 megapixel quad-rear camera setup. There's a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a water drop notch on the front and a 4000 mAh battery supported by 30-watt VOOC flash charge technology. The Realme X2 runs on Android 9 Pie and has a starting price of 17,999 rupees for the base 4GB RAM and 64GB storage model.